My friend called, and her stepdaughter, who actually at her ninth birthday party, reported that she was being sexually abused by her mother's boyfriend. Obviously that was very alarming, and wanted to take some action right away to get her protected. I knew I needed help and didn't know where really to go, and just started Googling for legal help and came across Legal Aid Online.
IllinoisLegalAid.org provides legal information and assistance for lower-income Illinois residents. Visitors to IllinoisLegalAid.org can find all kinds of legal information, including information on family law issues, housing, mortgage foreclosure, public benefits, and in all different formats that will give them instructions on how to better resolve their legal problems on their own. The website receives hundreds of thousands of visits a year and provides critical legal resources in 24 different areas of law. There are thousands of pieces of information on the website.
LiveHelp is an instant chat messaging service for the website IllinoisLegalAid.org that allows visitors to ask a remotely located operator for assistance navigating the website and finding legal information. The user will click on the button that says click to chat on the website, and then a small window will pop up on their screen. Then we'll take the visitor's chat, send out a brief disclaimer. We're not giving them legal advice, we can only help them navigate the website. Once they agree to that, we go ahead and help them find the information they need. We're able to give them relevant information on the website most of the time, and even when we're not able to do that, we always are able to give them a legal aid referral, which is helpful.
I got onto the LiveHelp link, and Brandon came on and gave me some really good help. The whole site, the way it's set up, just directed me where I needed to go. Very helpful, very easy to use. It really gave us some direction on where to proceed, especially with a referral to Prairie State Legal Services. That is really something the family needed desperately.
Currently, LiveHelp is staffed mostly by law student volunteers, and they come from schools all across Illinois.
I do 1 2-hour shift once a week. I just take the shift from the comfort of my own home, so it's a very easy process. I sit on the couch with my laptop and I sign on at 8:59, and then at 11:02, once I see that the next LiveHelp operator has come on, I can sign off and I'm done with my shift. It's a great opportunity to really help people.
It's people that have never really used the internet. They're not very web savvy. They're kind of overwhelmed. Probably they're in a legal situation too that's already overwhelming, and so they want to go to a website and be able to look up something quickly. Oftentimes there are great success stories in which somebody's looking for a very basic form or information about law in Illinois, and I can guide them right to it through the website.
We've been very excited about the initial success of the project. It only launched about a month and a half ago, but already we're serving more people in a day than other states that have this service serve in a month.
For the month of October, we took over 1,300 chats, which averaged a little over 70 chats per day that we were in service.
And while I can't give them legal advice, I think just leading them to where they can find some helpful information does make a pretty big difference.
I think more often than not, I'm able to give the people who I'm working with some information or to point them in the right direction so they can find the right forms they need or find an attorney. So it's actually been very rewarding.
It was just great to have a live person you knew, interacting with you immediately and being so helpful. The man who was suspected of the abuse failed the lie detector test actually first and then admitted to it. So he was placed into custody pretty quickly. But like I said, there's so much more involved in the case. To have the referral information for Prairie State really is going to help this family and this little girl, in the future as well.